New information this afternoon in the deadly crash that took the life of a Mount Vernon police officer. The man facing murder charges in the accident that killed Officer Ivan Lopez 2 months ago in Summerdale was in court today for a preliminary hearing. WKRG News 5's Debbie Williams was there. She's joining us now. Now, before today's hearing, we were told alcohol and speed were involved in this crash. Debbie, testimony presents a clearer picture.
Yes, it does. Of course, Tyler Henderson was arrested last month. He's from Orange Beach, charged with murder in the death of Officer Lopez. And today was his preliminary hearing. That's kind of a preview of what the trial could look like down the road. Now, in testimony this afternoon, we learned that shortly after that crash, Henderson's blood alcohol level was tested at 0.23. That's almost 3 times the legal limit. And as far as the speeds go, according to the onboard computers of that truck, he was reaching speeds of up to 102 miles per hour on that Tulane County road headed towards Highway 59. The crash happened just after 7 o'clock, August 22nd. Testimony showed Henderson ran the stop sign at the intersection. According to the computer on that GMC pickup, he was driving. His speed was 86 miles an hour as he began crossing that 5-lane highway and 79 miles per hour as he crashed into the side of Lopez's Crown Victoria. Prosecutors say today's hearing illustrates Henderson's reckless behavior. Henderson's defense attorney says his client never intended to hurt anyone. Henderson is charged with murder and assault, among other charges. Cherish.
Officer Lopez was on his way home at the time of the crash. Debbie, prosecutors say Henderson had quite a day by that time.
Yeah, so they were able to piece together his day, and that kind of gave him a background leading up to that 7 o'clock hour. He was hanging out with friends. He had friends over at his house in Orange Beach. They were grilling. They were working on the pool, went to the store a couple times. And by the evening, there was one of his friends who was unable to drive, but we're told because of his intoxication level. So Henderson got behind the wheel of his pickup truck and was taking him home to Robertsdale. That passenger in that vehicle was severely injured in that crash, spent a couple of weeks in the hospital.
Sadly, Debbie, this is sure to be a long legal process for both families.
Yeah, so, and Tyler Henderson's mom and girlfriend were in the courtroom today. The Lopez family was there listening to every word of the testimony. This case is now going to a grand jury, and because of the legal process, it could be a year or more before this case ever makes it to trial, Cherish.
Goodness. Debbie, thank you.